Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Another slot wherein you get your cash, right? So this is how your ATM looks like. Okay. So the software is installed in the ATM also, because when you insert your card, it identifies your card, it validates it. It will ask you to enter the PIN number. You enter the PIN number, that is also getting validated. It will give you the different menu options, whether you want to do the cash withdrawal or you want to check your balance. So it will give you many of the options, right? So what is working there? Obviously there is a software. Okay. So this software is working where? In the ATM, the real-time environment, the production environment. Okay. So we call it as a production environment. The real environment of this software where it is supposed to work. But where is this developed? Is it developed on the ATM? Does a developer go to an ATM and then he starts coding there? No. He is going to develop it on his computer. Okay. So this is nothing but it is called as the development environment. Okay. The system where the developer develops the application, we call it as a development environment. Okay. Which has all the different tools, the development tools that are installed on the developer's computer. So before we release this software, it has to be tested. Where will it be tested? It will be tested on the computer of the tester. We call it as a test environment. And do you need all these development tools to be installed on your computer? Because you are a tester, right? So you will be doing the testing. Do you need all these tools to be implemented on your computer? No, you do not need them. Okay, because you are not going to do any development. What you need the testing tools here, right? So this is your test environment. You need the testing tools here. This is called as test environment. Okay. Now let's say there are about 18,000, somebody said me, okay, in the class. There are about 18,000 ATMs around this New York and New Jersey area. Okay. Now do you think all the ATM machines will get the software installed on the same day? Should we install it on all the computers once we do the testing on our computer? No, we do not do that. Okay. What we do is we take some of this ATMs, take some machines, let's say some 4 or 5. First we install the software there, we check if it is working, okay, then we install it on all the remaining machines. Okay. So before it goes to the production, we take some sample machines, we install the software there, we test there, and then install it for all the rest of machines. This is nothing but it's called as the pre-production environment. Clear, everybody? Development environment means it is the environment where the developer develops the application. Testing environment means it is the environment where the tester does the testing. Pre-production environment means it is the end production environment, but we are considering it for the sample, for testing. Okay, it is called as pre-production environment. So your beta testing will be done here. Okay, where is your beta testing done? It will be done here in the pre-production environment. Okay. I think there are some questions here. Let me check out. Okay, did you lose something? Everybody? Okay, I'm sorry. Yes. Okay, Renu, tell me what did you lose? So that I can repeat it. Wait, let me unmute you. Hi, Renu. Hello. You can talk to me, Renu. Need not type.
I lost the testing environment part.
Okay. So shall I repeat it?
Yes, please.
Okay. What else did you lose, Renu? Just testing environment?
Yes.
Okay. Let me also check with Dhruvita. Okay. Dhruvita, what about you? What did you miss?
Just same thing.
Same thing, just the testing environment. Hello? Yes, Dhruvita?
Yes, Priya. Yes, the same thing.
Okay, Lakshmi also same, Shilpa also same. Okay, fine. I'm sorry. Let me repeat it. Okay. I don't know. I mean, sometimes, this go to meeting. Okay. So anytime you miss something, please let me know. I will repeat it. Okay. So we have the development environment. You understood? It is the developer's computer wherein all the softwares are installed and development tools are installed and the software is written here. The programs are written here. Okay. Then we have the test environment wherein all the testing tools are installed. Means this is a computer that on which you are going to work as a QA. So what you need? You need the software to be installed and then you need the testing tools to be installed here. Let's say your quality center, QTP. So you need the tools to be installed here so that you can test the application. So this belongs to you. Okay. It is called as what? Test environment. And production environment is the one wherein your real-time application is going to work. It is called as the production environment. But we cannot right away install the software into this production environment because we have to first test it on some sample machines, let's say some 4 or 5, and then we will install it on all the main machines which are under the use by users. Okay, so this is the pre-production environment. And the beta testing that I talked about during the user acceptance testing is done here in the pre-production environment. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay, fine. Then another terminology, that is build. What is the meaning of build? Okay, let's try to find out that. Okay, we said that the developer writes the programs. Okay. And where does he store these programs? In the program files, or we also call it as source code document. Right? So we call it as a program file or a source code document wherein the programmer writes all the programs and he saves. Okay. Now, can he give these program files to us or the client or the users to use the software? Okay, now he has given us the software AT&T. We can directly see the software. Okay, or we can, let's say we want to have the quality center in our computer. Do you think I take the programs, write it here somewhere, copy paste those files and do something of that sort? No. What we do? We will be having one setup file. We double click on it. The software gets installed on a computer. We start using it. Correct? We do not see any kind of program files even during the installation. Correct? So what he does is, he takes all these program files, he puts them in a package, okay, what we call it as a setup file, which has the extension called as exe, if you have observed it. So you simply double click on it, run it, install it on your computer, and then you have the software, you start using it. So this is nothing but it is called as build in the technical terms. This installation file is nothing but it is a build, okay, which has all the program files packaged into it. Okay. Any difficulty, Fabi? Okay. So build is what? Compiled code package in a single file. We call it as exe file, which can be used for installation of the software. Okay. Now few of the testing basics. So whatever we discussed till now, these were the basics of your software engineering. Okay. What happened? Okay, it's out of memory. Let me do one thing. I'll close and open it. Okay. Okay, let me open it again. Right, Fabi. The software would be, difficult for a common person to understand. So what a developer does, he packages it in the build and then he provides it to you. Okay. So now we will have a track of something. Okay. Before I move to the next topic, I will give you the list of topics that we will be covering so that you have the track of all the topics. Okay. So the first topic that we were supposed to discuss was the software engineering concepts. Okay. So which is done. You do one thing. Okay. Make a list of all this. Write it in one, neat paper and have it somewhere in your room. Okay. Wherever, you attend the class, you make sure you take this list and put it either on the wall or, just have it with you, this complete list. Okay. So that you are able to track what are the topics that we have completed. Okay. Then we have the software testing basics. Testing basics. Okay. Then thirdly, we have the manual testing. Everybody can write it down. Okay. You just write it down in your notepad. Later you make one sheet completely. Write all this list. It will be like a checklist for you. Okay. Because some people, in the middle of the course, they start asking me how much we have completed, how much it is remaining. Okay. So let's not, make it complicated. I'll write a list here. This list you can also find it on our H2K website, which I showed you in the demo session. But still, okay, I'm mentioning to you in the class. We have the manual testing. Then we will be learning the quality center. Okay. Then after that, we will learn SQL. Okay. Then we will learn Unix and Linux. Then we will learn quality standards. After that, we will learn QTP tool. Okay. Then we will learn LoadRunner. Okay. So these many topics I will be teaching. There are remaining topics will be taught by some other faculty. Okay. So you on the list, right? I had sent it to some, different student. Let me copy it here. Okay. Meanwhile, you write whatever you can see on my screen. I will write the remaining ones for you. I can also email this text document to you so that, you have it with you.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.